ADA, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, first of all, if we refer to our analysis, in my last video when the price was exactly here, within this move we mentioned we're looking for the sell because we're looking for this. But we had this the sharp move, but as we can see the price move a bit higher, then reverse. Even we mentioned the price can move a bit higher before we get the down move. Okay. Anyway, when the price was within this move, we update in a group that if we get any correction buy setup, we can look for buy. Rather than that, we don't need to look for buy because as we can see there was no buy setup unless someone buy from here. But as we can see from what we were expected, the price reversed, and there was based on 15 minutes there was a few opportunity to look for sell, and this is the best one. By the way, anyone get this down move sell? No, I think they should move their stop loss to break even. And now we want to see whether we get another drop or not. The way it's dropping is quite I mean, this is a corrective, is not really sharp. And right now we want to see what's the next and how we can look for trade. In this case, we move to higher time frame. We start with the daily chart. As we can see, based on daily chart, we are looking for this, whether this is a correction for continuation or not. In this case, we move to lower time frame forward chart. Okay, as we can see, this is what we get. And since we mentioned we're looking for the down move, this is what we get. And now we want to see how deep this one can go, because we mentioned if this one continue and break this low or here, as long as the price broke this low, any reversal we can look for buy. Now the question is whether this one can continue before we get the reversal or the price can reverse from here. Okay, in this case we move to 1 hour chart and see how we can trade it. First of all, as we mentioned, the way is moving is really corrective, and if you want to look for sell, this is one of the opportunities on 1 hour chart. And if this one turn to a corrective, maybe we can look for one more drop. Then from there, any reversal we can look for buy, because we mentioned that still we can expect the price to break this low, which is 1.2. Okay, by the way, if we get the correction right now, we don't have a sell. If this one become deeper correction, maybe we can expect for one more drop. Then any reversal we can look for buy from them. And if the price reverse from here with the sharp move flag, we can look for buy with the breakout of the top. Okay, how about if this one may turn to a flat for bigger flat for one more drop? Also we need to know about this, because we mentioned if the price drop and what we expecting the price to tag 1.138. Okay, but what we have here right now is very corrective. That's why still we can expect one move of up with the flat. Maybe then from there we can look for one move down. By the way, right now as again the price the way is dropping is really corrective, and maybe we don't get the, maybe we get the one more drop, but I don't think we can get really good trade setup. It depends on the traders whether they want to look for sell or not, but we are more interested to get one more drop, and any reversal we can trade it. Okay, and how about again if the price reverse from here, we need to look for the sharp move flag before we take the trade. Rather than that we cannot. And any trade for buy, whether from here or even we get one more drop, mostly if we get it from here with the breakout of this top, we need to start to manage, which is 1.355. By the way is moving is really corrective, and right now we want to look at this and see how we can trade it. And in this case we just follow the chart. If I see any update I will share. Thanks.